Hello, welcome everyone for our day 3 of the session. And it is really so nice to see all of you connecting again. And congrats to people who have been consistently joining us on the day 3. And they have also started seeing good changes coming in their in the good changes coming as a part of their whole process. So it's been really awesome to see each one of you getting connected and joining us. So we are gonna start our session. It's yes, it's already 9, and let's start our session with doing the invocations, because we are gonna do the healing today, and also at the same time we are gonna go with the next session that we have in terms of our affirmations that we are going to do. So today's session is going to be a group distance healing plus the mudra healing and the affirmation. So I would want each one of you to sit in a comfortable and a relaxed position. Just go ahead, sit in a comfortable and a relaxed position. Close your eyes. And okay, sorry, before you close your eyes, make a point that you have your hands in a receiving position, and then close your eyes. Keep your hands comfortable on your lap. Close your eyes with your palms facing upwards. Let us take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly. Hold your breath. Exhale slowly. Inhale slowly. Hold your breath. Exhale slowly. Inhale slowly. Hold your breath. Exhale slowly. Any stress, any tension that you're feeling in any part of your body, let it go. And let us do the invocation. I invoke the divine presence of the Supreme God, all the healing angels, divine angels, to be present here in this moment with me, to help me, to heal me, to guide me, and to protect me. I invoke the divine presence of the healing energies to be present here at the moment, to help me, to heal me, to guide me, and to protect me. I am open and receptive to the learnings that Poonam is giving me today. I am open and receptive to the learnings being given to me today by Poonam. I am open and receptive to all the healings being given by Poonam. I'm open and receptive to all the group distant healing being given by Poonam on this call. I'm open and receptive for the positive changes coming in my life from today onwards. I am open and receptive for the positive changes coming in my life from today onwards. Feel your own energies. Come back to the room that you are in, and you may slowly open your eyes. And if you're feeling excited to start with day 3, just type D3, so I know that you all are super excited for the day 3 session. Great, Devi Bala, Anju, Nitish, Sakshi, Sanjana, awesome, Rishikesh, Neha, Kirti, congrats. Each one of you is super duper excited. Even I'm excited hearing your feedbacks, changes coming in your way. I'm super excited with this. Fantastic, guys. So let us go ahead with our day 3. I'm just going to do a quick recap of what we did in the first part of the session. Okay, so what we did cover on the day 1 was to understand our blockages, because I know that a few of you have joined today and have listened to the recordings. But just a quick recap, on day 1, we did the identification of what our emotional blockages are associated with our hair and the skin, and what emotions would trigger what kind of a skin reactions. Once that was being done, we did a face mapping to also understand and read our own face in case of, because a lot of you have mentioned that you had dry skin, so that gets reflected on your face, pimples, acne, spots. So that also gives you an understanding of which part of your body is connected. And once we had identified that, then on the day 2, we went ahead and did the day 2 part of the activity, where we went ahead and did these sessions. Yes, Ketki and Amitha, we are going to repeat the healing for some time. We'll definitely do that part. Great. Then what we had done was, once we identified which organ, we have also seen what are the different chakras in our body and which part of the body are they associated with. Once that was being done, then we did our releasing of the emotional blockages. We did mudra healing, and then we did the guided meditation to release our emotions and at the same time get the healing being done. So that was our day 2. And today on the day 3, we are going to do a similar process, okay? But this time we are adding the positive affirmations as well. So you are going to repeat the positive affirmation. But before we go to the positive affirmation, I just thought of also doing a blockage release. And then, so the step is going to be, we are going to release our blockages, and then we are going to do the affirmations. Then we are going to do the mudra healing, Prasanna Mudra. And then with the Prithvi Mudra, we are going to go ahead with the guided meditation today as well. Okay. So let us go ahead and do this part of the session, where we are going to work on releasing our blockages. So you would already have your list of blockages, and it was really interesting to know that many of you have been able to also identify a few more blockages which may or may not be directly related with your healthy skin and hair part of the body. So in that case, no, that should be okay. Even if you have a nail paint, I think that should still be okay. The intention is what will matter, and the process will matter of how you're doing. So let us go ahead and whatever additional blockages you have been able to identify, just bring that as well as a part of your healing, and bring that in front of you. In case if you do not have it with you, or just take a few moments, go ahead, get that. And people who are already having your list of the blockages that you have identified, or the emotions which are creating negativity in yourself, I would just want you to read that once, okay? Just take this moment, open your affirmation, open your blocks, read them once, whatever blocks are there. Like, for example, a few of you might be like, I feel very angry. I have a lot of anger. I have a lot of irritation, frustration, a lot of my past life, whatever the way I wanted to live, like, it's not been that way. So maybe there is a lot of emotional blocks within you. So I want you to just take this moment. I'll go silent for a few moments, read it. You may read it loudly, you may read it in your mind, that's absolutely okay. So whatever is comfortable and convenient for you, just go ahead and do that. And then we are going to start with releasing the blocks and then affirmations, then mudra healing, and then the actually guided healing session would be there for you. Great. So just go ahead, take this couple of moments and read your blocks. And if you have read your blocks, just type RB. So I know that you are ready for releasing your blockages. So RB stands for reading your blockages. RB stands for releasing blockages, ready to release your blockage. Wow, congrats. So, oh, fantastic. We have so many of them all set and ready to release the blockages. Fantastic. Great. Yes, we have a lot of them saying RB, RB, RB. Yes, fantastic, fantastic. So it's really awesome to see all of you getting into that. And let us go ahead and get ready for releasing our blocks. So I want you to again sit in a comfortable position, and sit in a comfortable position. If you're sitting, keep your back rested. If you're sitting on a chair or on the bed, wherever you are, just make sure that your back is a little rested, because a few of you will find a little discomfort, because the whole process that we are going to do is going to take us approximately half an hour and till we complete our session. So sit in a very comfortable position, get your back relaxed, and take the position of touching your Ajna chakra with your thumb, your index finger, and the middle finger. Okay. And as I said, why we are touching our Ajna chakra is because this is the chakra which works towards directing to each and every cell of our body to function in the right, appropriate, healthy way. And that's why we are using this position to touch our Ajna chakra. So take the position. The other hand, you just keep it in the receiving position, because I would also be giving a group distant healing. Yes, Bhavna. So what you have to do, your thumb, your index finger, and your middle finger. So this is the position that you have to, and that is what is going to touch your Ajna chakra. So this is where your Ajna chakra is. So center of your eyebrows, touch it. And touch it very lightly, because in one of these sessions, somebody was like pressing it very hard and then they started hurting themselves. So please don't do that. Don't hurt yourself. It is your own face. So love it. Take care of it. Touch it very lightly. Keep the other hand on your laps in the receiving position. So this is the position that you need to sit comfortably, relaxed, and let us start with the releasing of the blockages. Okay, just say, I am open and receptive to the group distant healing being given by Poonam right now. I am open and receptive for all the positive changes that are coming in my life from now onwards. Feel the energies and vibrations. From this moment, I release all my blockages, all my anger, irritation, frustration, stress is getting released from each and every cell of my body. And when I say it is getting released from each and every cell of your body, you need to imagine a gray color energy or a gray color moving out from your body. Gray color moving out from your body. That's a gray color energy, a small gray color cloud moving out from your body. And it can be from any part of your body. It can be from your head, it can be from your throat, stomach, leg, that's okay. Whatever part of the body that black cloud or the gray color cloud is moving out, that's perfectly fine, because that's the part of the body which needs a thorough healing for you to get a healthy skin, a glowing skin, healthy hair at your scalp, and also healthy hair to grow on your scalp. So just say, from this moment onwards, I release all my blockages from each and every cell of my body right now. These are the blocks which are stopping me to have a healthy, glowing skin. These are the blocks which are stopping me to have healthy, good hair. I release all the blocks right now in this moment. A few of you might imagine gray color or a black color cloud moving out from any part of your body. A few of you might feel as if somebody is pulling out some energies, or there's a pulling sensation. A few of you might just have a very warm, tingling sensation. A few of you might feel a smell, a sweet smell. So it's depending on which part, which system of yours is strong. Like for a few, it's a touch. For a few of them, it's a smell. For a few of them, it's visualization. So eye, nose, smell. Yeah, so just go ahead and feel that being moved and still keeping the position touching your Ajna chakra. Let us say, I release from this moment right now all the blocks from my body. Each and every cell of my body is releasing all of those blocks which are stopping me to have a good, healthy skin and a good, healthy hair, thick hairs, strong hair. I release it right now. Be receptive to the group distant healing being given by me. So I'm open and receptive to the group distant healing being given by Poonam right now. I release all the stress, tension from each and every cell of my body right now in this moment. Feel the release, feel the energies moving out. Feel the energies, vibrations. Yes, and as it is getting released from your body right now, as it is getting released from your body right now, you're feeling much lighter, much relaxed, and your cells, each and every cell of your body is getting healed, giving you a healthy, glowing skin and good, healthy hair. Just be back to the room. Bring your hands back to the normal position. And if you have felt, just share your experience of how did you feel. If you have felt lighter, just type L. So I know that you're feeling much lighter and better, because after that, we are going to do our affirmations for healing. So great. Congrats, Supriya, Kirti, Sumitra, Sakshi, feeling calm. Fantastic. Manali, Sonali, lighter. Fantastic. Good. Aditi, Amita, feeling lighter. Sadhna, Namrata, feeling lighter. Monica, feeling lighter. Archana, feeling lighter. Wow, this is awesome. Great. Rishikesh, Veena, feeling. Okay, so if you have felt a little heavier near your heart chakra and shoulders and had vomiting sensation. Okay, so of somebody who has felt heavy sensations near your heart, that means there is still a little blockage near your heart with regards to loving yourself, loving the way you are right now. If you have felt a little vomiting and uneasiness on your shoulders, that means the chakra associated is your back part, your solar plexus. And if you have felt cold near your feet, that is actually releasing out the blocks from your feet, which is the closest is your root chakra. Yes, so just let go of. Yes, so if you have felt your hands have been pulled and you have felt pain in hands and shoulders, Bhavna and Archana, it is primarily because of the energies and the blocks which are deep rooted. They are coming out and they will start moving. So hand and shoulders refer to your responsibilities that you have taken but maybe those are the responsibilities which are not serving you a happy moment. Okay, so that's where that shoulders and pain is there. Okay, so vibration is fantastic. Irritation in throat, that's the throat chakra, which definitely needs to be worked out. Pain in the palms, yes, it is associated with your energies very closely into the receiving part of your hand. So that means you still need to be more receptive to get the healings and changings. Okay, so radiation, feeling radiating heat is absolutely fine because the energies are flowing through and a lot of pull of the energies is happening. Aditi, feeling heavy at third eye, it will go fine right now because we did the releasing of the blockages, and now we are gonna go into the healing part, and also we are going to do the affirmations. Now, when I say affirmations, that means we are talking about positive statements. We are giving positive guidance, positive instructions to our cells of the body. Okay, so yeah, Kiran, if you have also felt heavy at your third eye, it will eventually be fine by the time we complete our session. So let us go ahead and do our affirmations, which are positive statements for healthy skin and hair. Okay, so again, in this position, you have to keep your hands, again, touching your third eye, keep your third eye very relaxed. Keep your hands in a relaxed position at your third eye, and the other hand be receptive, because I'm gonna go give healing for you for affirming healthy skin and hair. Okay, so let's get ready, and you just have to listen to me, and if possible, just repeat after me. You can do that. So let's do that. I'm open and receptive to the group distant healing being given by Poonam right now. I am open and receptive for all the positive changes coming from today for a healthy skin and hair. And let's do the positive statements. I instruct each and every cell of my body. I command each and every cell of my body to be happy, healthy. I command each and every cell of my body to be happy and healthy. I calm my thoughts and I am serene. I calm my thoughts and I am serene. I calm my thoughts and I am serene. Yes, I am a divine expression of life. I am a divine expression of life. I am a divine expression of life. I love and accept myself where I am right now. I love and accept myself where I am right now. I love and accept myself where I am right now. The world is safe and friendly. Yes, the world is safe and friendly. The world is safe and friendly. I am safe. I am at peace with life. I am safe and I am at peace with life. I am safe. I am at peace with life. I command each and every cell of my body to function perfectly fine, healthy. My skin is healthy, glowing. Yes, my skin is healthy and glowing. My hair on the scalp is strong, healthy. My hair on the scalp is healthy, strong. I'm open and receptive to the group distant healing being given by Poonam right now in this moment. Fantastic. Bring your hands back to normal. Be relaxed, be comfortable, feel the energies. And if you have strongly felt that you are in love with yourself, just type love myself, which means LM. So I know that you are in love with yourself. So just type LM. Wow, fantastic. Manali, Isha, Kiran, Ruchi, Bhagalakshmi, Kirti, congrats. Each one of you is now. Okay, so you're feeling better now. Anju felt cold. That means if you felt cold and it is, if it's a very cold sensation, that means, Anju, that you still need to work onto your clarity because you're still not receptive to let the positive changes come in your life with regards to a healthy skin and hair. Still somewhere some doubts are there, because when you feel a cold sensation, it means there are certain blocks still at that point of your third eye. Yes, Kiran. Okay, so that's fantastic, Kiran. So it's moved from heaviness to pulling out. Yes, any blockages there, they are getting released, because with every thing that we're doing, I am giving a group distant healing for you guys to start feeling happy, healthy skin. Good. That's fantastic. So let us go ahead and do our Prasanna Mudra. Wow, Veena. Yes, loving myself. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and do that. Saili, if you have felt cold at your third eye, that means there is still blockages in terms of not being receptive to the healings being provided and receptive to the positive changes for your healthy skin and hair. But that's absolutely okay. As we are progressing, you will start feeling better and better as we are moving to the next session. So let's go ahead and do the Prasanna Mudra. So as I said, touch your fingers and let's do the Prasanna Mudra for a few moments and just keep smiling and say, I am happy, healthy. I have a healthy, glowing skin. I have strong hair. So whatever kind of a skin that you would look for. So I'm having a happy, healthy, glowing, clean, clear skin. And then my hair is healthy, strong, thick. So just go ahead and do it with a big smile. You have to do it. You need to have a smile on your face while you're doing this mudra, because it's called as a Prasanna Mudra. So you need to be smiling, smiling, smiling. Just go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yes, fantastic. Good. So are you all feeling smile and Prasanna Mudra? Just type PM and we are now going to move into the next part of things. Yes, great, Anju. Yes, go ahead. So you're feeling all happy, Prasanna. Wow, fantastic. Great. Congrats, Archana, Kiran, Isha Devi Bala for getting this. Rishikesh, Aditi, Sakshi. Awesome. Great. Just keep smiling, because the next part that we're going to do is going to bring in a lot of more positive energies to you guys to take things forward. Awesome. Great. So nice to see all these changes with all of you. Now we are going to get into a guided meditation. And in today's guided meditation, what we are going to do is, of course, you are going to take your Prithvi Mudra in the position. So you are going to have, this is your mudra. Keep, sit in a relaxed position. Okay, be comfortable. This is going to be a mudra that you're going to do, and keep it on your thighs, lap. In today's session, what we are going to go ahead and do is, today I am also slightly introducing is, when we are going to do the healing for each chakra, I'm also going to chant the associated mantra for it. Okay, so I am going to chant the associated mantra for it. You just have to focus and listen to it and be receptive to the positive healings being given to you. Be receptive, because the more receptive you are, the more better you'll feel. Okay, so I'm just noting certain things out here. And be receptive to the healings which are being given to you. So go ahead, take your position of the Prithvi Mudra. Keep it in this position. Sit relaxed, be comfortable. Yes, sit relaxed, be comfortable. The reason why we are doing all the chakras, because as I said, everybody has one or the other chakra which is blocked and needs to be healed. So for everyone, if you're doing all the 7 chakras, it's gonna give a very beautiful, relaxed, comfortable experience. And one request that I would have with each one of you is, after we complete this session for today, I would just want you to go ahead, keep your gadgets and everything aside, in case if you still want to have your food. People who are in India, have your food and then go to sleep. People who are outside of India, if it's an evening time, and if you if you want to eat, and then just sit silent for a couple of minutes to feel the energies and absorb them. That's something which I would really want to say. People in India can just go ahead and sleep. It's all anyways late. And for others, just take a couple of minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes, just sit and be in silent to absorb the energies in your body. So let us go ahead. Take your Prithvi Mudra position. Keep your hands on your lap, on your thighs. Sit relaxed, keeping your back. And let us start with this guided meditation. So I am open and receptive, and I would want you to keep your eyes closed throughout the session so that you don't get distracted with any of the other things around you, and you're more focused and receptive to the healing and to the changes coming in your life positively. Fantastic, good. So just say, I am open and receptive to the group distant healing being given by Poonam right now. I am open and receptive to all the positive changes coming in my life for a good, healthy, glowing skin, for a good, healthy, strong hair. I instruct and command each and every cell of my body to function to the best, to give me a good health, glowing skin, good skin, healthy skin, and healthy, good, strong hair on my scalp. And let us do a few deep breathing. So as you inhale, your stomach expands, and as you exhale, your stomach contracts. And we're going to do on the count of 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3, you inhale slowly, hold your breath, and 1, 2, 3, you exhale it slowly. So let us start. Let us start with the inhalation. Inhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Inhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. One last time. Inhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Relax your body. Just command, saying, I command each and every cell of my body to be relaxed and receptive to the healing being given right now by Poonam. My cells are healthy, happy, strong. And now we are, as I said, we are going to also chant the Beej mantra in our session today after the affirmations. So if you're able to focus, just focus on the base of your spine. That is your root chakra, which is going to help to build the strength within you at all levels: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. And we're going to chant the mantra for the root chakra, which is LAM, L-A-M. We're going to do the chanting. And if you're able to chant, do chant. Otherwise, just listen to me. Be receptive to the healing, because it's going to be a deep healing right now. LAM. We're going to chant it 3 times. Lam. Lam. Relax. Feel the sensations, vibrations. Be receptive to this deep healing happening for a happy, healthy, glowing skin and happy, healthy, strong hair. Now we're going to move on to the next chakra, which is your navel chakra. So focusing on the navel, we're going to chant the mantra Vam. 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 Relax, be comfortable. Just say, I'm open and receptive to the group distant healing being given by Poonam right now. Now we're slowly and gradually moving to the next chakra, which is your solar plexus chakra. It is 2 inches above your navel, center of your rib. The mantra to chant for this is Ram. Just say, I'm open and receptive to the group distant healing being given by Poonam right now in this moment. Each and every cell of my body is receptive to the positive changes. Ram. 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 Relax, be comfortable. You're feeling the energies, vibrations, sensations flowing in each and every cell of your body, in each and every part of your body. Be receptive to the group distant healing being given. With this healing, a deep thorough cleansing and healing is happening. And each and every cell of your body is functioning perfectly fine to give you a happy, healthy skin, healthy, strong hair. And now as we move further, we are moving to the heart chakra, which is the center of your chest. And the mantra to chant here is Yam. Be receptive to the group distant healing being given right now. Your relationship with your own self is going to build stronger and loving as we are chanting the mantra Yam for the heart chakra. Yam. 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 Be relaxed, feel the energies, vibrations, sensations. And if anybody is feeling like emotions flowing out, tears getting rolled out, let that flow, because this is the deep blocks which are getting released associated with your own self, because a happy, healthy skin is your own reflection of what is happening inside is getting reflected outside. Just be receptive. And now we are going to move to the next chakra, which is your throat chakra, center of your throat. The mantra to chant here is hum. Focusing on the center of your throat, let's start the chanting of the mantra hum. 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 Be relaxed, feel the energies. I'm open and receptive to the group distant healing being given by Poonam right now. I'm open and receptive to all the positive changes coming in my life right now to get a happy, healthy skin and good, strong hair. Now we are moving on to the next chakra, which is the center of your eyebrows, between the two eyebrows. The mantra to chant over here is Om. Again, we are going to chant 3 times. Let's start the chanting. Be relaxed. Be receptive to the group distant healing being given right now. Feel the energies, vibrations in each and every cell of your body. And the last chakra, which is your crown chakra, center of your head, at the top of your head. There is no mantra to chant for it. You need to maintain a silence and just be connected and say, I am connected to the divine energies to help me to heal my skin and hair related problems. And I'm connected to the divine energies to receive healthy, happy, glowing skin, strong, healthy hair. Just focus on the top of your crown. I'll go silent for a few moments and give you the distance healing. Be receptive to the distance healing being given right now by Poonam to each one of you connected on this call. Fantastic. And now just observe that there is this bright light, a bright white light, which is forming a circle around your body, and you are inside this bright light, which is helping you to heal you, to guide you, and to protect you. Just feel it, be receptive. Fantastic. Now come back to the room that you are in. Integrate all your bodies, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual, and come back to the room that you are in. Integrate all your bodies, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual, and come back to the room that you are in. Slowly and gradually, when you're comfortable, you may just open your eyes with a big, big smile, and just at whatever part of the body that you feel you need that healing, just touch that body part with a very gentle and loving. So touch your face, your neck, for your hair, just touch it, touch your scalp, give that healing energies that you have received right now to your hair, to your scalp, to your face, to your hands. Whichever part of your body needs healing from the skin perspective, just give it to your hands, your neck, your chest, your stomach, the back, your thighs, leg, feet. Just give it. And while you're doing it for a couple of moments, I would also give the group healing energies to be passing to each and every cell of your body, to each and every part of your body. You're getting a happy, healthy skin, and you're recovered. And when you look at yourself, it's such a beautiful, smiling, glowing skin and energies around you. Fantastic. You may open your eyes in case if you have closed it, and hope you enjoyed it and you're feeling much more calm and relaxed. Just type CR. So I know that you're feeling more calm and relaxed with this session. Great, Malvika, Devbala, Namrata, Ruchi, fantastic. Great. So with this, we are completing our day 3 of this session. One request is, because I'll share the recording, and if tomorrow in the morning, whenever possible for you, just go ahead and redo this session one more time so you feel those vibrations and energies coming in. And when we are doing our day 4 of the session tomorrow, you are gonna see a beautiful different change, because tomorrow we are going to use the creative visualization technique, and I will be doing it as a guided session for you. So it's so nice to see all of you, and thanks for joining in today. And congratulations to each one of you to completing your day 3 successfully. So let's get connected tomorrow once again for the day 4. So have a good night, have a good day. And I'll be here for a few moments in case if you have any questions. So fantastic. Wow. I'm so happy to see that all of you are enjoying the sessions and you're feeling this change. And yes, a lot of you are getting that confidence that, yes, I am bringing the change. Fantastic. Thanks, Neha. Yeah, beautiful session. So thank you, everybody. And let's connect tomorrow for our day 4. So have a good day. Have the rest of your day as a beautiful thing. Great. Thanks, Ashwini. Fantastic to see it. Good night, good day, and have a safe time. Be safe. Take care of yourself. Yes, Kiran, with these practices, whatever we are doing it for 5 days, but you need to listen to this recorded sessions for the next 30 days for sure, to start seeing more deeper healings happening to your skin. So yes, it can work as you work towards changing your inner energies. So just go ahead and do it. That's wonderful, Sanam. So you felt relaxed. Awesome. Great. Fantastic. So let's connect back tomorrow. I am disconnecting the session right now. In case if you have any questions, reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. and almost all of you have it by now. Take care. Bye.